In this video, I'll show you how to turn off voice guide on your Samsung Smart TV, no matter what model. So you may have one with this kind of remote or a different remote with a circle selector. I'll show you how to do it. So what you need to do is to press the home button, the one with the house, once. Once you're here, you need to press the left side arrow or the left side of that circle a few times until you have settings highlighted on the lower left side of your screen. Then press OK. And from here we need to go down in this menu where it says General. Press OK and select the first option, which is Accessibility. Press OK again. The first setting should be voice guide settings, and in your case it's probably turned on like this. So all you have to do is to uncheck it by pressing OK once. And now you're done. You won't hear that very annoying voice every time you select something. You can simply go back at this point and continue using your Samsung Smart TV. So I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.